Dr. Nathan over here at Back to RX Physical Therapy. We're going to start to get our shoulder activated when we're up overhead. Now, one of the most important things when it comes to good shoulder health is making sure not that these muscles right here are not nice and strong, a little bit making sure that our rotator cuff is nice and strong, but more importantly, I think it's all the muscles that start to get our shoulder blade active to help harness some of that load that we're starting to put in through our shoulder anytime we're hanging from a bar, pressing a bar up overhead, or even doing a bench press. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna wrap some sort of a resistance band. This can be a belt or anything, just straight up on the bar, and we're gonna sling our arm to this, and we're gonna walk forward. Now we're gonna let this just kind of pin and hold our arm back as we walk forward. Now the main thing is I don't wanna walk so far backwards that it's getting us out of a weird position or it's causing a lot of pinching and pain into the upper portion of our shoulder. But what we're trying to do is we're gonna try to get this arm straight up overhead, okay? We're gonna feel right here into our rib cage, directly below our armpit, okay? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna feel a couple of bulky little muscles right in here, and that's exactly what we're looking for. Is we're trying to feel these serratus anterior muscles. They attach onto your rib cage. These are the most of the ones that we're gonna be able to feel, but they work all the way up on your rib cage. And what we're gonna try to do here is we're gonna turn our elbow forward and keep that elbow nice and straight. And what I wanna focus on doing is I wanna try to set this shoulder blade down, okay? And so less is more with this, and you're gonna know if you're doing this exercise correctly, whether or not you feel these muscles popping into your fingers or not. So as I get that arm straight up overhead, I wanna just create a contraction by thinking about pulling my armpit down. And as I'm doing that, I'm getting a contraction. I'm feeling these muscles bulk up and relax, bulk up and relax, bulk up and relax. And the thing is, you're not going to see a whole lot of movement of my arm as I'm doing this. Standing from your point of view right now, you're not going to be able to see my arm moving up and down. And that's exactly what we want. We want these muscles around our shoulder blades, and specifically this serratus muscle, to be kicking in right now and just saying, stay here, I got you. I'm going to create some stability while you're in an overhead position without it affecting anything up along here. So we can do this right here if getting up overhead is a little bit painful. Ideally, we want to start to get this arm straight up overhead and pulling down and relaxing, and pulling down and relaxing. Comment below if you have any questions on this video. This is a pretty difficult one to actually explain and see. This is one that you just got to get that feel and start to learn how to contract that muscle as we get up overhead. Again, comment if you have any questions. Make sure that you hit like and subscribe so you get alerts when I put new videos out, so we can help you getting to move more often, pain-free.